Hi, Martin here, and in this video I'm going to discuss Stage Manager, a brand new feature in Mac OS Ventura. So let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, what is Stage Manager? Well, it's a new feature in Mac OS Ventura, and as Apple say, it's designed to automatically organize your apps and windows in a single view on any Mac, so you can stay focused while easily moving between tasks. So essentially it's a way of organizing your windows so that you can stay focused on one while still having easy access to any of the other applications that you have open. So first and foremost, how do we actually turn on Stage Manager? Well, what we're going to do is go and click the Control Center icon up here near the top right hand corner. And you can see that we have a Stage Manager icon that has been added to this Control Center. So we're going to click on Stage Manager, and you can see instantly all the windows, apart from the one that I had front and center, have been moved over here to the left hand side. Now, this is essentially Stage Manager and the view that you have. So you'll have the window that you're working on at the front, and then any other windows that you have open over here on the left hand side. One great thing about this view is it's actually a live view. So if anything updates, say a message or an email, you'll actually see it over here on the left hand side. And switching between these different windows is as simple as clicking between them. So you might have a window open, so say I've got my Word open here, but I also want to have my PowerPoint window open at the same time. And you can kind of see it's just flicking between the two. But if I hold the Shift key and click, then it will actually add that onto my desktop. And then if I click on my other one over here, you can see they're now grouped together over here on the left hand side. So it doesn't have to be a single app. You can group together the ones you need. So maybe you have one over here that's for work, and you have your work windows open, and then you've got another one that's for personal. So you get to your lunch break, you get home, and you can just have that one open instead. So if I open that up, if I want to take one of these away, I can simply click and drag and then create it as its own individual window over here. So as you can see, it's a really great way of being able to organize your folders. It's really easy to activate, and it helps you to stay focused and removes the clutter away from your desktop. So a very short and sweet video, but I hope it's been useful. I think it's a very cool feature that's been added to Mac OS, and I would suggest giving it a go and seeing if it's something that you think you might use. If you've liked this video, please like it and then consider subscribing for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.